Good morning, viewers. It's me here again, Ruby. I'm in my greenhouse right now. It's still raining outside. This rain will gonna last until probably Tuesday. So, and then after that, we're gonna have a nice weather, 70-degree weather. That's what I saw in the weather forecast. So, let's take a look at my plants before I harvest some of them. So this is the Malabar spinach and the sweet potato. I already transferred them into this little container right here. That needs to be on the ground pretty soon. The weather permit. And corn. Right here are sunflower and more sweet potato. Sweet potato slip. Right here is the better melon. I got my moringa. There's two survived, so there they are. And more sweet potato. And that's my lemongrass. Right there is a melon and some flower zinnia and the bok choy here. Now today I'm going to harvest this bok choy because as you can see right here, start to have some flower. So this needs to be harvested. This needs to be harvested. And so as this one here, they're pretty good. Look at the leaf of this spinach and bok choy together. And some of my marigold and zinnia, I plant them outside yesterday on the ground. So this is are the leftover. And some broccoli here. This needs to be plant outside as well. And the long green beans, the Asian one, like they call it asparagus, long beans. And this one here too. And I have eggplant here, eggplant there. I have 4 eggplant. And here are the rest of the flower from the seeds that I plant here: zinnia, marigold, and I forgot what is this one. Okay, so I have my bell pepper here and more bell pepper down here. They're just hiding here in the greenhouse because the weather is not that great this week. So okay, I'll be out here. Okay, and then this is my better melon. So far they're holding it up pretty good. And the dinner plate dahlia is really growing crazy. It's the other one here. I start this plant from tubers, so they're really big now. More of my lemongrass that I rooted indoor. My strawberry started to have some flower right there. More corn right here. Need to be transferred outside. Just waiting for the nice weather. Sunflower. More broccoli here. This is a taro. And then this one here is the sweet potato. Okay, what else down here? These are my kale. Got 2 kale. And my eggplant, as you can see, it start to have some bloom, but I don't know if hopefully this will survive because they need to be pollinated, I think. So but then they're inside the greenhouse, I don't know. And here are my okra. I didn't see any flower in this okra. They just start to have some fruits. Got 2 okra and more asparagus, long green beans, the Asian kind. Here, oops, and my strawberry. Let's check the plants here. The green onion are doing great. Green onion and garlic here. That I divided. As you can see here, I already transfer my marigold that I plant from seeds. So they're in the ground. And it's my Cherokee purple. Look at that. There's a lot of blooms, but hopefully they will become a fruits. And here's the other one. More bloom in that too. There's another one here. This is probably the sweet 100. And there's another one here. I have Roma tomato here as well, but I just don't know which one's which. That's in that corner. And this one here, they're still inside their little greenhouse that I make. So there's Cucusa or upo right there, and some tomato. Maybe I'll open that today. And more tomato right here. And here's the other one. This one grows so big. Look at that. And my blueberry. This is the peach sorbet. And sunshine blue. And here's my Cucusa, or upo as we call it in my country. So far it's holding good. Another tomato right here, tomato right there, and this is the chayote. Oh, I'm glad it survived. Look at that. So yeah, we're doing good so far. See, look like it started to have some buds right there. See that? There, I closed them back. I just let them stay inside their little greenhouse. And the rest of my zinnia is right that line right there. I planted some over here, zinnia and marigold. And my lemon balm is coming up again this year. Alright guys, that's it for today's update. And it's Sunday today. Happy Mother's Day to all mother, and for the future mother as well. Happy Mother's Day, and have a nice weekend and enjoy the rest of the day, and happy planting.